A website theme is a pre-designed template that determines how a website looks and feels. It includes various elements such as color schemes, fonts, layout designs, and visual components. Consistent use of these elements helps create a more professional look and streamlines the process of building and expanding the site. Theme customization also allows you to optimize your site for faster load times. To change your theme colors, go to Themes from the left side panel and select Colors. From there, you can customize the key colors on your site. You have the option to choose a predefined color scheme from the drop-down menu, create a custom color palette by adjusting each color individually, or use our Color Wizard tool. Fonts give your website its personality. To change your site font, just click on Fonts. You can choose different fonts for your headings and body text, or toggle on Use one font only. When selecting a font, make sure it's easy to read. If your visitors have to strain their eyes, it'll ruin their experience and leave a bad impression. Headings are an important element of your site as they provide structure and organization to your page's content. In the Headings section, you can adjust the size and paragraph spacing around your banner text and other headings. Here's how you can customize your links. You can change its style to bold, italics, or underlined, adjust its color, and set different styles. From the button settings, you can change its background and text color, adjust its text font or style, and modify the button shape and add transitions to it. Within the quote settings, you can personalize the appearance of the quoted text with different styles. Each style includes a preview, allowing you to see how it will look on your site. This way, you can easily find the perfect fit for your site. Additionally, you can change the text style or select the text and background colors. A divider works as a separator between the sections or highlights the headings on your site. In the divider settings, you can pick a style for your divider and adjust its length, color, and alignment. You can use a timeline to display your brand's journey from its inception to achieving important milestones. In the timeline setting, you can change the layout and shape of the timeline elements and modify the color or font style of the text. And that's a wrap! Remember, any changes you make to the theme will affect elements across your whole site, and not just the homepage. Web.com. One stop, all done.